Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and on the day that I bought my little Kinder Blythe, she came with these original clothing, or these pieces of original clothing, and two boots that don't match, but they're Blythe's, I can tell. I'm not sure, well, I think they're Blythe Doll original boots. Darren made her a few shoes. She's going to be my traveling Blythe. Well, she's not going everywhere, but she's going to go to like BlytheCon and a few places. And Darren made her this beautiful stand. I don't have the upright on it yet. But the day I won the auction for her, I was in another auction. Well, actually, I waited. And I bought, ooh, look at this, an original Kinder Blythe dress. See how they use this embroidered, and yes, that is actual embroidered ribbon that they put on a lot, I'm not so sure, not all, of the Kinder Blythe doll fashions. Isn't this cute? Let's put it on her real quick if I can. There is no real quick with the Kinder. You go slow and easy. These dolls were not, you know, they were made as inexpensive playline dolls. And here we are all these years later. They are expensive doll collectors, Grail dolls, for a lot of us. I know they're my Grail dolls. I have other videos where you can see the day I opened her, all of my Kinder Blythe. She is my 6th. I love her. What a cute dress. Oh, I'm so glad I won these auctions. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.